A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to the online classes once again. I hope that you are fit and fine, and I also hope that your exam goes well. Children, now I am going to start annual portion of your computer. The annual portion, the first chapter of the annual portion is chapter number 7, Maths with Logo. So open page number 98, chapter number 7, Maths with Logo. In this chapter, we will learn about print command, label command, mathematical calculation with logo, mathematical operators with logo commands. In today's class, we will cover print command and label command. So let us start today's class. On page number 98, print command. Print command is used to display text or numbers in the commander window. As the name suggests, print command is used to print text or numbers in the commander window. If you want to print your name or if you want to print numbers in commander window, then you can use print command, right? Print command is used to print any character text means word, letter, sentence, or you can print number also using print command. The short form for print command is PR. We can use either print or PR. The short form of the print command is PR. You can use print, 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 or you can use only PR. Both commands perform same function, right? Understood? You can use print command, full PRINT, print, or you can use shortcut PR command. So let's see. On page number 99, the steps for using the print command are: the first step is type print or PR. Type, here is a commander window and this is the input box. Type print, PRINT, print. Then step 2, press the space bar key. Give a single space. I have already told you, single space. Then type the number or text to be displayed. After that, type your text or number which you want to display. But remember one thing: if you want to display sentence, then you should put that sentence in square bracket. I want to say that if you want to print text, if you want to print a sentence, then you can put that sentences in square bracket like this. Square bracket, I want to print Delhi Public School. So Delhi Public School is a combination of words, then we should keep Delhi Public School in square bracket. Then square bracket, type text, after typing, close the square bracket. Now step 3, press the enter key or click the execute button. I have already told you, you can press enter button or you can click execute button. You can see here Delhi Public School is print here, right? I repeat once again. Type the step to print command is type print or PR. Now I am going to type PR, then single space. Then if you want to print a sentence, then you should keep that sentences in square bracket. Right? After typing the sentence, close the square bracket and press enter button or click on which button? Execute button. Very good. Now you can see a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. If you want to type number, then no need to put square bracket. PR, then single space, sorry, PR, then single space, then after that type your number and press enter. You can see 200 are print here. Understood? I repeat once again. If you want to type text, if you want to print a sentence, then you should keep the sentence in स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. अगर आपको कोई सेंटेंस प्रिंट करने तो आप उस सेंटेंस को पूरे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे. एंड इफ यू वांट टू प्रिंट नंबर देन नो नीड टू स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, जस्ट सिंपली type PR space and number. I hope you understand. Okay, now example number 2 on page number, sorry, example number 1, print 200 or PR. How can you print 200 or, let's see, type PR single space and 200 and press enter. You can see 200 are print here. Example 2, print logo is fun. How can you print logo is fun? Tell me, what are the steps? Yes, first step is type PR. After that, how many space? Single space. Very good, single space. Then you start square bracket. Why we use square bracket? Because it is a sentence. Then type sentence, and after that close the square bracket and press enter button. You can see logo is fun is print here. Now example number 3. Before example number 3, 2 lines are given. If the text to be displayed is only one word, then we can simply put a double quote in the beginning of the text. Means if you want to print only single word, then no need to square bracket. You can put that word in single quote, double inverted comma में. Understood? Let's see. PR single space inverted comma and your word hello, and press enter. You can see hello is printed. I repeat once again. Listen carefully. Print command is used to print text or number in the commander window. If you want to print single word, then you must keep that word in single quote, sorry, double quote. You can keep that word in double quote. Double quote means double inverted comma. And if you want to print a number, then no need to double quote or square bracket. If you want to print a sentence, then you should keep that sentence in square bracket. I repeat once again with the example. Let's see. Now I'm going to print number. PR single space and number. You can see I'm not use any quote or any square bracket. Now I'm going to print only single word. Then PR single space double quote and type our words and press enter. Right? Now I want to give sentence. I want to print a sentence. PR space single inverted comma and after that close inverted comma, print enter. I hope you understand. Now page number 100. Now open page number 100. Label command. The label command is used to display text or number at the current turtle position in the main screen. The text appears in the direction that the turtle is pointing. Means label command is used to display text or numbers at the current turtle position in the main screen. Print command is used to, label command is different from the print command. Print command is used to display text or number in the commander window, but label command is used to display text or numbers at the current position of the turtle in the main screen. Where text or number is displayed? In the main screen. Understood? I repeat once again. Label command is used to display text. Text means word, sentence, and numbers at the current position of the turtle. Beta, remember this point? Current position of the turtle in the main screen. Understood? The text appear in the direction that the turtle is pointing. आपका टेक्स्ट उसी डायरेक्शन में प्रिंट आउट होगा जिधर आपका टर्टल, जिस डायरेक्शन में आपका टर्टल होगा. अंडरस्टूड? हाउ? लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द स्टेप. ऑन पेज नंबर 100 स्टेप्स आर गिवन. स्टेप 1, टाइप लेबल. LABEL, ये लेबल. LABEL. रिमेंबर, नो शॉर्टकट फॉर द लेबल कमांड. you should type full name LABEL, label. Step 2, press the space bar key. How many space? Single space. Press single space. After that, step 3, type the numbers or text to be displayed. After that, you type your number or text, whatever you want to display. The text should be included in square brackets. The text should be included in square bracket. If you want to type text, then you must type the text in square bracket, and if you want to type number, then no need to square bracket. You can simply type that numbers. Understood? I want to say that if you want to type sentence, अगर आपको sentence, अगर आपको text print करने हैं तो आप उस text को square bracket में type करेंगे. Otherwise, and if you want to type a number, then you just type the number without any square bracket. I type. After step 4, press the enter key or click the execute button. After typing the number, after typing the sentence, press enter key. You can see Hello India is printed in this direction. Why in this up direction? Because turtle is pointing in this direction, right? Now once again, now on page number 101, RT90, after that LABEL, label, then now press enter. You can see in this time logo is print in this direction. Why in this direction? Because the direction of the turtle is in this direction. Understood? आपका जो लेबल होगा वो उस डायरेक्शन में प्रिंट होगा जिस डायरेक्शन को आपका टर्टल होगा. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? ओके. I hope you understand. Watch the video carefully, and if you have any doubt, then drop a message in the group. Okay. Thank you, beta.